Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can redeem codes on your Marvel Contest of Champions. So mostly on phones you can't redeem I don't know why. On my phone I can't redeem it, but here on PC you can. So make sure you log in your Kabam account on the website. So here's the website, playcontestofchampions.com. And in the website you wanna click on the store. Okay, once you click on the store, make sure you log into your Kabam account. After logging in, you got some rewards here you can claim. So make sure after logging in you scroll all the way down and you got your promo codes here. So promo codes allow you to get a discount or bonus in-game items. So here you will input your code here, input the codes you see, or once there's an event and there's a code somewhere out there, you put it here. So yeah, that is how you redeem codes on Marvel Contest of Champions.